Hello everyone, we will start talk about slicing audio file. What is this? Actually now we have in the silent, we have silent negative, silent positive, and these files actually cannot be fed to the neural net. It's a big single or two files. It cannot be used for the sake of training. So what we will do, we will slice each of these audio files into clips for the purpose of feeding these clips to the neural network for the classification aspect. Let me start this process. I will look to my Google Drive and I will use actually Google Colab. ML projects, audio projects, and I will create a folder and call it audio for Ahmed. Why audio for Ahmed? Because we will use the word Ahmed to activate the trigger audio. What I will do here, right click new folder, data set, and inside the data set I will start my first environment, which was the silent. Inside the silent, I will bring the first audio file, this one, silent negative. So drag and drop from the local PC to the Google account. So this is our original audio file. It's around 3 minutes or more. I want to divide this one, the silent negative, into number of clips. And I would like to save these clips here also in this location. Let me go to the drive. I will create a Colab file for the purpose of split audio into clips. On the same folder, audio for Ahmed, I will put my Colab file here, right click, more, Google Collaboratory. Thank you Google for this feature. Instead of buying expensive laptop with GPU support, you can go for Google Colab. As you see here, I am a pro membership, so I pay around $10, but actually for the services it's nothing. Let me start the text. First of all, I will go for the region of libraries. So libraries, Control MB, and delete the cell. Which libraries we need? Import pandas as PD. Import OS. Import sound file, one word, sound file as SF. Import Librosa. If you don't have Librosa, normally it's not appear as a default, so you can go Control MB exclamation pip install Librosa. Control enter. I already have it on my Colab, so it will appear here like requirement already satisfied, but for you I think you need to go for this line of code. As you see here, it's requirement already satisfied, so clear and stop. I don't need to run this. Let us back here, Control enter, import Librosa. Everything is fine. Now we go to the second section of the code, which is files and folders. Control MB. I don't need this section, the first one, anymore, so we can go for here. I will specify where to save my clips, generated clips. I want them to appear here near the original audio file. So let us check our default location, exclamation ls, Control enter. Sample data, I don't want this place. This place is here. If you open this folder, it's here. I don't want that. So I will mount my drive. I connect to my Google Drive. Yes, connect. So the drive is appear. Open the drive, my documents, ML projects, audio projects, and audio for Ahmed. This is our location that we are looking for. Data set, silent. Here I would like to save my new generated eclipse. Copy these, click on these three ellipses and copy path. Close. Now Control MB %CD space Control V, then Control Enter. That's it. We have changed the default location to this one. Control M. Who said that? Exclamation again. LS. Control Enter. Is this the correct location? Yes, because this location has only one file, the original audio file. This one, as you see here. So now I am in the correct place. Now I can create the third section, which I will call it slicing. Control MB, and now you can easily minimize all other sections for the sake of professional programming. Let us start with slicing. The first line of code that you need on slicing is to bring this file. Give me this file. So I will go for file underscore name equal os.base os.path.base name. Yes, open brackets, single quotation only. Now give me the path of this file, not the location. So go here, it's already down. So this is actually our file. This is the original file that I would like to contact. So ellipsis, copy file. Now Control V. That's it. That's all what you need. So now we need to use Librosa to upload. Why? Because Librosa uploaded as an audio. So Librosa, thank you Librosa, dot load tab. So this is what is going on. Librosa will give you this file as an audio, but the output of Librosa load is two values: the audio itself, comma, the sample rate. So you will get two values from Librosa. Then we need to specify the length of each clip. Actually, it will be buffer equal 3 seconds multiplied by, why 3 seconds? Because the length of the clip will be 3 seconds. Why 3 seconds? Ahmed. So 3 seconds is more than enough, multiplied by the sample rate. What we will need also the samples total. The samples underscore total. This is the length of your audio. How many minutes your audio? Your audio, how many minutes? You need to specify also. What else? Samples generated. Wrote. How many clips did you generate till now? Till now it's 0. What else you need? We need a counter to be equal 1, and that's it. Now start a while to generate the new clips. What is this while? Actually, samples wrote, how many samples did you wrote till now? How many clips did you generate? Less than the length of the original audio. So you can keep generating new clips. How it will be? It will be a block. I will use the concept of dictionary. So it will be audio, dictionary bracket, samples wrote, and open a bracket, samples wrote plus the buffer. Yes, so this is how it will be to increase the amount of buffer by 3 seconds each time. We need a name, reasonable name for each new generated clip. So the out underscore file name, it will be we will start with the word clip underscore. Then we will go for a plus. Yeah, I will go for tab plus a counter. So it will be clip 0, clip 1, clip 2, underscore, then the file name, negative, negative silent, positive silent. So this is a reasonable name. Now we need actually to write this name. Let me write this name. So, or print, yes, tab, print out. Yes, I will print that. After that, I will write the value of the clip using sound file. So sound file actually will write it as an audio. So it will create the audio. Where it will be saved, it will be saved on the default location that we already have changed before. And pass the name of the clip and the audio itself and the sample rate. Update buffer, update counter. Let me run and see the names supposed to appear here. Yes. And the files, audio new generated clips supposed to appear here after a while. I can refresh. Yes. Did you see they are appearing? They are appearing. So let me test the first clip. It should be 3 seconds only. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. See you next video.